Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Scroll down and look for location section. When you find it, click on it. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to location access to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!